I did not study in an English medium school. I was scared to speak English. I used to feel nervous when someone spoke English in front of me. But today I teach English on YouTube. So, how did that happen? Today I will share my real journey. I studied in a non English background school. All subjects were in Bengali. English was just one subject, not language we use daily. I could read English. I could write answer for exams, but I could not speak confidently. Hello everyone, I am Sangeeta from Learn English 360. First of all, let me tell you a little about my background. When someone asked me a question in English, I would panic. Maybe many of you feel the same. You know what was my biggest problem? My biggest problem was not grammar. It was fear, lack of confidence, and overthinking. I always thought my English is not good. People will laugh at me. I studied in Bengali medium school. This mindset stopped me more than anything else. You know what was my turning point? My turning point came when I realized nobody becomes fluent overnight. Even native speakers make mistakes. So I decided instead of feeling ashamed, I will start practicing small steps every day. So, what I actually did? Here are some things that helped me a lot. First, I started listening more. I watched English YouTube videos, kids' English stories, simple interviews. Initially, I did not understand everything, but slowly my ears became familiar with English. Second point, spoke alone. Yes, alone. I talk to myself in English. For example, I am cooking. Today I am not feeling good. I will go outside. This improved my confidence. Third, I did not fear mistakes. Initially, I was scared of wrong grammar. Later, I understood speaking broken English is better than speaking nothing. Mistakes are part of life. Number 4. I learned simple grammar. I focused on tenses, daily sentences, common vocabulary, not advanced grammar. Simple plus practical. You know what was my real struggles? Let me be honest. There were days when I felt I cannot do this. Sometimes people corrected me, sometimes I felt embarrassed. But instead of quitting, I used correction as improvement. Slowly I became comfortable. What biggest lesson I learned? Your school background does not decide your future. Your practice decides your future. English is a skill and skill can be learned. You don't need English medium school, expensive course, perfect accent. You just need consistency. So, my message to all believers, if you are watching this and thinking, I studied in Bengali medium, my English is weak and I feel shy, let me tell you something. You are not behind, you just need practice. Start small, speak daily, make mistakes, improve daily. If I could do it, you can do it too. If my journey inspired you, then share it with others. Thank you for listening. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. If my journey inspired you, Please like and share this video. Subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.